Welcome back to the Brent Bruce Daily. Today is September the 6th, 2022. It is now 3:09 p.m. Central Time, and we are really getting hammered in the mortgage-backed security market, continuing to slide down from the terrible jobs report that came out last week. I mean, they tried to wrap this thing in a bow and tried to make it look like a good report. But guys, when you look at the report and find out that 82% of the jobs that were created in the household survey were for people between the ages of 16 and 19. They're using the job creation of people that are getting their first time jobs or even summer jobs to act as though this is a good report. It is not a good report. And the bond investors, the mortgage-backed security investors are smarter than that. We're also seeing terrible news coming out internationally about fuel prices. So we're hearing that natural gas prices are going to be going up tremendously because of the moves going on with Ukraine and Russia. And also want to let you know that the West Texas Intermediate crude oil is what we pay attention to have an idea as far as what we think gasoline prices are going to do. I can tell you that based on what I'm seeing here with the WTI, gas prices will probably go up by about 30 cents this week. Not 30%, 30 cents this week. When gasoline prices go up, that is tremendously inflationary, which is what we always talk about. And we talked about last week or a few weeks ago that when the CPI came out, the only reason that the CPI, which is a consumer price index, looked good was because gasoline prices had gone down so much. Gasoline prices are going to go back up. Natural gas prices are going to go back up. Inflation is back still in full swing. People know that. The investment community knows that. And the mortgage-backed security is getting hammered. What is that doing to our home loan interest rates on the Brent Bruce Daily scenario? We were in the high fives, 5.75% last week. Where are we today? Unfortunately, 5.875. So we are having a negative effect based on the mortgage-backed securities going up on us. I'm really surprised that we're not more of a 6.25 right now with the run that we've had. I do think that we are going to see home loan interest rates continue to go up this week because we have the indicators that are more so looking inflationary with gas prices, natural gas prices, and some other things coming out from the jobs numbers that I think that unfortunately, I mean, even from our technicals, take a look. I mean, what do we have supporting us? We're not going to have support until we get all the way down here to this 98 number, which is a long way to go. And unfortunately, that probably puts us at 6.25 on the Brent Bruce Daily. So we may see interest rates go up this week. We are a long way away from the 4.625 that we were at now 5 weeks ago. Hopefully, we do bounce off of the floor of support here if we hit it and start to ride back up. We are now in a position that we are way away from our 25-day moving average, which often does cause a leash effect where there's a pullback closer to that 25-day moving average. But right now, we are just in a bad spot. Interest rates are getting hammered. I will keep you posted. And there's also big news coming out from the FHFA, which is the Federal Housing Finance Agency, about conforming loan limits. We're starting to get a little bit of whispers that conforming loan limits are going to go up quite a bit, which should help our buyers. I'll keep you posted. We'll talk again soon. Have a great day.